Welcome to the Solidworks channel. Today's post: folding rectangular tube. Two angles on the same plane. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a sketch on the front plane. Step 2. Create a rectangular tube. Select the Weldments tab. G1 clearance is 0.5 mm. Modify the locate profile. Choose this point. Modify the size of the rectangular tube. (30 × 60 × 1.5 rectangular tube. Step 3. Create sheet metal. Select the Sheet Metal tab. Use the original sketch. Direction 1. Select up to vertex. Choose this point. Similar to direction 2, select up to vertex. Choose the second point. T equals 1.5 mm and R equals 1.5 mm. Step 4. Process the model and combine. Create a sketch on the front plane. Draw two circles. Cut off the excess rectangular tube. Use the extruded cut command. Select through all both. Select Insert Features Combine. Flatten and check. We fix the fixed plane. Edit flat pattern. Reselect the fixed face as this one. The length of the rectangular tube is in x-axis coordinates. So our model is done. We can fix the side length, folding angle by Edit sketch. Adjust the length to 100 to 300 millimeters. 120 degrees to 150 degrees. The rectangular tube is folding along the short side. We're going to fix it on the long side. Edit sketch of rectangular tube. Change these two sizes for each other. 30 to 60 millimeters. And edge 60 to 30 millimeters. So we've got a new model. Fold along the long side. We're flatten. Save the step file. Open the TubeKit software. Select the new step file. Simulation of cutting. Choose the number of 2 tubes. And nest. Export CNC cutting file. This is a CNC pipe cutting file. Thank you for following all the lessons. Have you applied this lesson to real-world production? Is there a problem? Comment below so I know the results. Like, subscribe, and share this channel with everyone. Goodbye and see you later.